guys, I'm Kathleen Sibelio, taking Bachelor of Science in Industrial Education, major in Architecture Technology in Technological University of the Philippines, Cavite Campus. So today, I'm going to demonstrate how to draw a two-point perspective. So let's start! Six components of perspective drawing: horizon, picture plane, round line, station point, vanishing point, and visual rays. It is important to know this component to fully understand the construction of perspective drawing. Welcome to my video on how to draw a two-point perspective. First, draw your horizon line. Draw a vertical line that represents your picture plane. Now, mark a point toward the top, then locate it to the vanishing point. Draw the thickness of the roof, connect it from the vanishing point. And now, make a line bottom from the vanishing point, and for the D-link, make also line here, then lead the line across at the bottom and top to find the interior walls of this house. This area, locate the two vanishing point, and along here from the base of the building, locate it from the vanishing point. If you want to have a corner of the building, just put it here and just locate it to your two vanishing point, like this. Oops, I forgot, this is your vanishing point, and this is your vanishing point. Again, leading across the vanishing point to find the wall of the left. Draw the thickness of the roof, connect from the vanishing point. And that will be the edge of the building of the right. And extend from the baseline, like this. Extend. By the way, this line is your baseline. And I'm going to have roof of your, maybe it is a garage. Connect it from the vanishing point. We have the basic of our building already. I'm going to put some doors and windows to have a details of the building. Just project it to our vanishing point. If you want to put a design of your exterior house, just add like this one. Just put a road connecting to your two vanishing point.